again, good afternoon. Good afternoon, thank you for joining us. We are obviously delighted you heard Sean describe the product. We are delighted that we have been successful in this tender to be able to provide this service to the government of Fiji to facilitate incoming payments using Visa or MasterCard for services provided to current investors and also potential investors. I spent the whole of last week in New Zealand doing a Pacific roadshow in Auckland and Wellington. I can tell you the investment interest in Fiji is sky high. There are lots of potential investors who are waiting to come to Fiji. A lot of them are talking about making Fiji the hub for the Pacific, which is obviously is very heartening to hear. And clearly, what we have got to do as a community, as a country, is to make the process as investment or even more investment friendly as possible than it already is. So on that note, I just want to once again thank you, sir, for this opportunity, and we pledge to do our very best to make this process as impeccable as possible. Thank you. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, CEO. Yes, it gives us much pleasure, as you know, that this will bring government services to another level. We obviously aren't just simply looking at, investment Fiji applications. Now we hope to launch next week, touch wood, the one-page window application for foreign investors. That will allow for approval by the 5 top-tier agencies, which is Companies Office, Reserve Bank of Fiji, Investment Fiji, Immigration and FIRCA. So through that one window application, you'll have all those approvals in place. You can make your payment online from whichever country you're sitting in. But we hope to use this relationship with ANZ, which obviously has been approved through a tender process, to other areas of government services. We at the moment working in, we've got the IT people working with Yellam and Chile, which is partnering with us in developing the software. For example, we hope to get the titles office online by the end of the third quarter of this year. Similarly, the company's office, and I know most of the bank offices, for example, when companies come and make applications or do applications, you physically have to send people down to a search in the company's office, check whether the directors all actually exist or not, where people exist or not. So you can do all of those the searches online from the comfort of your offices or from your homes, and make those payments online too. So we hope to use those services of ANZ and expand that, because eventually we need to be able to, as stated by the CEO, we need to make applications and processes a very simple matter in Fiji. This is all part of improving the ease of doing business. We must capitalize on the enormous amount of interest being shown in Fiji, because if we don't capitalize on it now, we can actually miss the boat. And this is why it's very critical for everybody within all the different sectors, including the banks and the private sector and NGOs and employee organizations, employer organizations, to take advantage of this opportunity. And government is very much keen to do this. I'm also like the fact that we're signing today just before Parliament sits next week, so we can gloat about it. So thank you for this opportunity, ANZ. And we look forward to developing further relationships with you. Thank you.
Thank you, AG. Thank you.